Hello everyone, so today I'll be making a video on the Scansnap 1300 scanner. So this assembly is kind of like worn out, as you can see, and this assembly is almost completely worn out. This is the one that I replaced, so the one that I had in there was this one. So what they sell is they sell these rollers, and they also sell a pad like this, which I installed. So if you want to take it out, let's say one was worn out like this, the way you take it out is you there's these two clips. You put your fingers on both of them like that, and then you get the edge part, and then you move it up to remove this. And I removed the metal part, and now I could take out the worn out pad like that. And I'll just show you as an example. I'm going to take this one out and put it into there. This is the one that I replaced. So I bought the assembly pads and the roller from AliExpress. So this is the new one right here. When I first got the pad, it didn't have holes in it like that for some reason. But on the site it showed holes in it. But since it didn't have holes, what I did was I put it in here in the center like that. I kind of like pushed it in, and then what I did was I took a paper clip like this, and then I made a hole in it so it would fit. So basically I just pushed it in really hard, and that kind of like made an indent. Found where the indents were, and I just like punch holes in it like that, and a piece of it just came out basically out the other end. So I'm gonna assemble this. So you just put this in and you just replace the pad just like that. Very simple. It goes in like that. And the way it goes in just one way, like this way. That's the bottom part, that's the top part. So top part, it wasn't that much. It was less than $6 for this. If you just want to get a whole new assembly, costs a lot more than that. Maybe $20 or something ridiculous. Maybe 25 just for the assembly. As you can see, it goes in like that, and then you get the clips in. Whoops. And now it's like assembled. Just make sure the clips are like on there. Just like move it left and right. Okay, now that's securely in place. I could just put this back into my scanner and use it. It's as good as new. So as for this roller part, I put in the new ones already, so just take it out like this on a plastic roller. Just comes right out by just sliding it out from this end. The other end, you just move it this way from the opposite side. It should just slide right out. Okay, just like that. So this is a roller that I got from AliExpress, and this is an old roller. I don't think my old roller's really worn out, so I'll just put that one back in, so it doesn't really matter which ones I use. I just did that to see if it fit, basically. But these rollers that are on here are pretty new anyways. So it goes in like that. Not all the way through. There's a little part right here which kind of like sticks out. That's where you can't push it through anymore. So that's, and the other side is here. So when you put it in, you put it in like this. Make sure you push down. Push this in a little bit and push that in. So pushing it in kind of like squeezes it in. And now it goes in. There's an indent right here, as you can see. It's not going to go through that, so that's the stop gap. So it stops right there. Okay, now the assembly is in there. Roller assembly. So if you just buy the roller, they charge I don't know how much. They sell it as a kit. Comes with this whole assembly, this, and some other stuff. I think they charge like 50 bucks for it from Fujitsu, which is a lot, but this is for about less than 5 bucks and less than 6 bucks. That's with shipping included. You get all of this, but then you don't get another assembly pad. You just use your old assembly pad and put it in here, and that's basically it. So now my thing is I'm using the old assembly pad with a new pad in it, and that's basically it. And then you just put it into your Snap scanner, which I will show you in the next step. That's basically it. That's how you get it in. And the roller also. Oh yes, I already have a video on how you could do that. I'll put that in a link. This link right there, if you want to see that. So this video was just to show you that you could buy the parts for this and assemble this yourself, basically. So anyways, thanks for watching. My Ace 1000 KS 1975 signing out.